Hello guys! Ito nga pala yung operation namin on board. Ganyan kami kabilis gumalaw. Kita nyo naman. Kaya joke lang. Naka fast forward times 5. Yan lang. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung behind the scene during captain's party. Shout out ko lang pala yung mabibilis kong bartender dyan. Eric Maningas, Jan Serrano at saka si Aladin. Yan mga matitikas kong bartender that time. Dito sa barko namin, talagang minimeasure namin lahat ng ingredients namin ay quality and proper measurement. And sa susunod na video, ituturo ko sa inyo paano ang proper measurement ng cocktail and wine. For those interested to work on board, you need to have at least 18 months work experience, either fine dining restaurant or hotel. Samahan nyo rin ng syempre sipag at tiyaga. Yun lang. Bye-bye!